I recently landed myself a high-paying remote job simply by adding an AI certification in Vue on my resume. Honestly, guys, if you want to land a remote job in this new now, or you want to upskill in your career and earn more, and you're still relying on the same skills you had 2 years ago, you might already be falling behind. Companies are no longer just looking for people who know how to use software. They are looking for people who know how to work with AI. In fact, AI-related job postings have exploded over the last few years, and online AI course enrollments continue to surge as professionals rush to future-proof their careers. The good news is, you don't need a computer science degree, you do not need years of coding experience, and you definitely do not need to spend thousands of dollars on university programs. So let me be straight with you. These certifications won't magically get you hired, but when recruiters are looking at hundreds of applications, certifications can help prove that you've actually invested time in learning valuable skills. So today, let me share with you 5 AI certifications that I have discovered, and I also believe they can help you stand out from other applicants. They can strengthen your CV and potentially open doors to high-paying remote jobs. So basically, for each certification, I will cover where you can get it, how much it costs, how long it takes, what you will learn, the remote jobs you can apply for, and realistic salary ranges you expect. So as we go through them, let me know in the comment section which certifications sound most interesting to you. And if you stick around to the end, you will get to know about one underrated AI certification that most people are completely overlooking right now. So let's get straight into it. Now let's start with one of the best options for complete beginners, which is one I am currently on, and this is the Google AI Essentials. This is powered by Google through Coursera, so you would need a Coursera subscription. Now, there are free trials options available in many regions, but most times to get the certificates, you will need to pay for the subscription. But if you're not interested in the certificates and you just want to get the knowledge, there are free trials options available in some regions. Now, you will need around 10 hours to complete this course, and you get to learn skills such as AI fundamentals, prompt engineering, responsible AI usage, productivity workflows using AI tools, AI-powered workplace applications. I'm currently on this one, and it's a very interesting course, I must say. And you get to learn the basic knowledge of AI as a beginner, not just saying, ChatGPT, will you do this for me? No, you get to have good knowledge of how to use AI. Now, employers value these certifications because it comes from Google, which is one of the biggest names in AI, and employers recognize the brand immediately, and it demonstrates that you understand how AI is being used in real business environments. And with this certification, you can apply for remote roles such as virtual assistant, customer success specialist, operation coordinator, administrative assistant roles. You can also apply for project support specialist roles or content assistant. Now, with this role in mind, the typical salary is usually between $40,000 to $60,000 for entry level, $60,000 to $85,000 per year for mid-level, and senior level earned between $85,000 to $110,000 plus per year. This certification is best for absolute beginners, like I said, who want to add AI skills to almost any career. Now, if you're thinking, that's great, but I want something that carries even more weight with employers, then the next certification is one of the strongest brand names you can put on your resume. Okay, a quick introduction. If you're new here, I create videos on remote jobs, side hustle gigs, and how to make money online generally. And if that sounds like your vibes, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It will go a long way to encourage me. So let's get to the next one, which is generative AI for everyone. This is available on platforms like DeepLearning.AI, and Coursera. Just like the Google AI Essentials, on Coursera, you can access this free on audit. But if you want a certificate, like I said earlier on, then you would have to pay. Now, the time required to complete this is approximately 5 to 6 hours, and you get to learn skills such as how generative AI works, AI business applications, prompt engineering basics, AI project planning, AI opportunities, and risk. Basically, if you are a fast learner and you pay for Coursera, for instance, and a quick disclaimer, this is not a paid content. I'm not sponsored by anyone. I'm just sharing the knowledge and experience based on what I have used. That being cleared, so my point is, if you are a fast learner, you can do a 1-month subscription on Coursera, and you can do both courses if you want to. That is the Google Essentials and the generative AI, which is what I plan to do. Once I'm done with my Google Essentials, I just want to see what is on the generative AI, and you can get the certifications for both, and you can finish them, in 1 month if you are a fast learner and if you enjoy, self-paced learning. Now, you get to learn skills, like I said, such as how generative AI work, AI business applications, prompt engineering basics, AI project planning, AI opportunities, and risk. Employers value this course because it was created by Andrew Ng, and Andrew Ng is one of the most respected names in artificial intelligence. So many hiring managers recognize this certification immediately. It focuses heavily on practical business applications, and all. With this certification, you can apply for remote jobs such as AI content specialist, marketing assistant, business analyst, operation analyst, research assistant, freelance consultant, and if you're already working in these roles, you can use this to stand out for higher pay or higher job opportunities. Now, the typical salary for this role is usually between $50,000 to $70,000 for entry level. Mid-level will earn between $70,000 to $110,000, and for senior level, you'll be looking at $110,000 to $150,000 plus per year. And this certification is best for professionals, freelancers, marketers, and career changers. So now let me ask a quick question. How many of you are already using ChatGPT or Gemini at work? Let me know in the comment section. Let me just know the number of people who are already AI savvy amongst us, right? All right, let's go to platform number 3, and that would be Microsoft Azure AI Engineer Associates. Now, this is offered by Microsoft Learn, and the certification exam for this one is typically around $165 depending on your region. For this one, the time required would be between 2 to 4 months of study, and you get to learn skills as Azure AI services, Azure OpenAI, AI solutions deployment, AI search systems, conversational AI, enterprise AI implementation, so many other things. Now, this is where things start getting serious. Microsoft Azure system is used by companies all over the world. Having this certification signals that you are capable of implementing real AI solutions, not just using AI tools. Remote jobs you can apply for when you have this kind of certifications include AI engineer, cloud AI engineer, solutions engineer, AI consultant, machine learning engineer. Now, the typical salary you would expect will be between $80,000 to $110,000 per year for entry level. At mid level, you'll be looking at $110,000 to $150,000 per year, and senior level you'll be talking about $150,000 to $200,000 plus dollars per year. Now, this certification is best for IT professionals, developers, cloud engineers, any ambitious career changer. To stand out, combine this certification with hands-on Azure projects. Place those projects directly on your LinkedIn profile. That's often what separates interview invitations from rejections. Now, let's move into a certification that's becoming increasingly valuable because employers aren't just looking for AI users anymore. They are looking for people who can actually build AI-powered solutions. And that certification would be the IBM AI Developer Developer Professional Certificate. Now, this is offered by IBM through Coursera, and it's available to you if you have a Coursera subscription plan. Now, the time required for this is approximately 6 months at a flexible pace, and you get to learn skills such as Python, generative AI, chatbot development, AI applications, machine learning fundamentals, and API integrations. Now, employer value this certification because it focuses heavily on practical, job-ready skills. You will actually build projects instead of just learning theory. For this kind of certification, you can apply for remote jobs such as junior AI developer, AI application developer, automation specialist, machine learning associate, technical consultant, and for this role, the typical entry level earns between $75,000 to $100,000, and at mid-level, we're looking at $100,000 to $140,000, and at senior level, you're talking about $140,000 to $190,000 plus. Now, this is best for people who want to transition into technical AI careers, and don't look at it and limit yourself thinking that this is impossible. You just need to take it one step at a time, and it's very doable, right? And finally, if I were starting over in this new age and wanted a certification that positions me for where the AI market is heading and also to potentially earn more, then this would be my number one choice, and that would be the AWS Certified AI Practitioner. Now, this is offered by the Amazon Web Services. It costs approximately $100 exam fee. Now, the time required to learn this is between 4 to 8 weeks for most learners. You get to learn skills such as AI fundamentals, generative AI, prompt engineering, responsible AI, AWS AI services, AI business use cases. Employers value this certification because AWS remains one of the most dominant cloud platforms in the world. Organizations increasingly want employees who understand how AI integrates with cloud infrastructure. Now, this certification validates exactly that. Now, you can apply for remote jobs such as AI specialist, cloud support associates, technical consultant, AI operation analyst, AI solution associate, and there are other roles you can look out for. Now, the typical salary for entry level is between $80,000 to $110,000. For mid-level, you'll be looking at $110,000 to about $140,000, and for senior level, you're looking at about $140,000 to $180,000 plus. This certification is best for beginners who want an employer-recognized certification with strong long-term growth potentials. I would say pair this certification with one cloud project and one AI project. That combinations make your profile significantly more competitive than the certifications alone. So that's basically it. Before we wrap up, here's the underrated certification most people are ignoring, and that would be the Google Cloud Generative AI Learning part. Right now, many people are focused on Microsoft and AWS, but Google is investing heavily in generative AI through Gemini and its cloud ecosystem. Now, the learning part is beginner friendly. It often includes, say, free training options and introduces skills that are becoming increasingly valuable as businesses adopt Google AI technologies. Over the next 1 to 2 years, I personally believe this certification will become much more recognized by employers, and it's good to jump on it early. So getting in early would give you that extra advantage. I know that this whole thing can be overwhelming, but let me give you a simple summary if you're wondering where to start. If you're a complete beginner, I would advise you try, or you start with the Google AI Essentials. If you want business-focused AI knowledge, then take generative AI for everyone. And if you're interested in cloud and enterprise AI, go for the Azure AI Engineer Associate. And if you want to build AI applications, AI chatbots, and the rest, choose the IBM AI Developer. You want the strongest combination combination of AI and cloud credibility, so you also get to earn better, then AWS Certified AI Practitioner is probably your best bet. Remember, like I said, this certification itself would not get you hired. So I have not promised you anywhere in this video that you're going to get a job immediately you get the certification, because the certification alone cannot get you hired. The real value comes from combining the certificate with projects, practical experience, and a good resume or a CV to stand out. That's what employers are really looking for. So now I want to hear from you. Which of the certifications are you planning to take this year? Drop it in the comment section below and comment certification if you plan to take anyone. Don't let procrastination steal your time like it almost did with me. Personally, I am almost done with the Google AI Essentials, and I'm going next to the generative AI for everyone just to see what the course is all about. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. And I post weekly content on remote jobs, AI careers, side hustle, freelancing opportunities, and future-proof skills that can help you stay ahead of the job market. And also share this video with a friend who is currently job hunting or looking to switch careers. Follow me on my socials, on my Instagram, my TikTok, and Facebook. It's still the same Career Pilot, and feel free to DM your questions there. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next. Until then, keep shining. Ciao.